Hello, friends. It's that time of year and the weather is starting to cool down. So, you know what that means? It's pumpkin pie time. So, today we're making pumpkin pie bars. You'll love how simple this recipe truly is. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe. First, you need to make your crust. We're going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is almond flour. I use almond flour to cut down on the carbs. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Six tablespoons of soft, unsalted butter. 6 tablespoons of vegetable shortening, soft. I'm going to use the potato masher to break it up and combine the ingredients. You're going to do that until you see coarse crumbs. If you have a food processor, that would be better. Add 1/3 cup of cold water. The mixture is starting to come together. So now I'm going to form this into a dough. I'm going to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to help it stick. It still feels slippery, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour. So now we're going to wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and set it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Spread butter along the bottom of the baking pan. Make sure that the sides are covered. You're going to line it with parchment paper, making sure that the sides are covered. And then just cut along the sides. I'm going to measure it for the baking pan. That's perfect. So now we're going to take a pizza cutter to cut off the edges. Remove excess dough, but don't throw it away. We're going to use it later. So we're going to take the cake board and go underneath the dough to help lift it up. Slide it on in there. That piece wasn't big enough, so we're going to take the leftover dough and make another piece. Spread your flour out. Put a little bit more flour on your rolling pin. Go ahead and knead it a little bit more. Cut off the edges. And we're going to just place it down right here. No, it's not perfect, but it's all going to blend in well. I'm going to use 3 cans of organic pumpkin puree. We're going to add 3 eggs. I'm going to whisk it slightly before I add them. Add 2 tablespoons of syrup. We're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 cup of sugar. This is actually xylitol, the sweetener. Or you can do 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 1 cup of heavy cream. So now we're just going to fold the ingredients together. Making sure we scrape the sides to incorporate all of the ingredients. So we're going to gradually add flour to thicken it. Add a little bit more. So that was about a cup of flour. And now you see it's gotten thicker. So we're going to take the blender and blend the lumps away. So now just blend it up. Now it's time to pour the pumpkin filling into the pan. Slowly, Jacob. Preheat the oven to 350. Okay, it's been 1 hour and the pumpkin filling is done. And to make sure, you want to just jiggle it and make sure that it's not jiggling in the center. And it's not. So now we're going to take a cutting board and just put it on top of the pan and flip it over. So now we're going to use a cake board, put that on top and flip it back over. So there you have it. Add confectioner's sugar. And there you have it. Guys, if you are still here, I'd love you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.